The Cars Show! Yeah, a garage for Sage VanDerSpin. Well, it's good to be back. Well, Lightning, it hasn't been long. It has been long to you too. But Lightning, will things get any worse if anyone could happen? But I will take the wheel. Well, since you've been replaced. Hey, what was that for? So, I guess we're going to help you. But I'll try. At least. And for what? I'll find you a garage. So you're gonna live a Krusty Rotor. Would you like to come with us, Krusty, if you like? Yeah. What do you think of this garage? It's pretty decent. I don't like it. Well, you'll just see. Well, I don't think it's that decent anymore. Ah! What's that? After 8 hours and 45 minutes, Sage was sleep driving. Wow, Sage. After 8 hours and 45 minutes, you didn't find a decent garage. You weren't up by now. You done nothing. Our boss will be so upset by now. Meanwhile, in the you-know-what, everything's not working, then everything is not working too. There's nothing to do. Well, Lightning, you expected there's nothing to do. So, well, I'm bored, and there's nothing to do. Nothing's working. I don't know what to do. That's it. I'll find Sage a decent garage for it. Well, Sage, I've got a decent shed for you. Really? You mean garage? Yep. And there's gonna be a friendly farewell soon, so I knew it. Okay, that makes 0 sense. Yes, it will. Guys, we're gonna host a friendly farewell. Oh, will that work? Yes. Oh, yes. And what do we do now? And nothing's worked well. Now everything's right again. So, a friendly farewell can work. Yes. And it will. I'm sure that will be a good idea. So find Sage a decent shed, and that'll work. Yep, Doc. I planned this all up for you. If you aggress. See there? Sage is looking for a decent shed, and nothing's worked. So I hooked up the idea to find a decent shed for Sage. So let's just do it then. A good shed. Wow, this looks good. Yeah. So we can be comfortable during this winter. It's not even winter yet. Ugh. What are we in for? A friendly farewell or something? I don't know. Ooh, a new shed. I thought we were going in. A few hours later, a friendly farewell has started. First of all, I want to thank you guys for everything. Everything we accomplished. Everything I raced for. Everything I've experienced. If you weren't so well experienced, though, then you would be inexperienced. Without you guys, I wouldn't have worked well. Okay, we're leaving now. Well, great job, Lightning. Thanks for the experience. Thanks for everything. Thanks for taking Captain Patch out for us. And thanks for getting everything done. And thanks for accomplishing our days. Farewell, Sage. Farewell, Krusty. Bye. Wow. I sure am gonna miss them. Well, this is gonna be cool. We're gonna stay there throughout, and we're gonna be roommates together. Yeah, I always wanted a roommate. That we'll show his later. And so, Sage, VanDerSpin, and Krusty Rotor would stay at their own garage.